Another day, another Robinhood scam. Welcome back, everybody. Some breaking news. Robinhood has just announced a new wealth management, portfolio management service called Robinhood Strategies. And on the surface, this is exciting a lot of people because it brings Robinhood into the wealth management space. It competes with a lot of robo-advisors, and it's going to increase Robinhood's profits. And the fees really aren't that extreme. Even I'll admit that. The fee to have Robinhood actively manage your portfolio is 0.25%. And if you're a Robinhood Gold member, any money invested over $100,000 isn't subject to a fee. But who actually has $100,000 on Robinhood? It's a bunch of brokies. Well, we got to talk about why this is a massive, disgusting scam and a cash grab. Because like always, everything Robinhood does is designed to make you churn your portfolio. So the people that are running these accounts are actually actively managing your account. So they'll take your risk tolerance. It's the standard financial advisor wealth management thing. They'll get your risk tolerance. They'll probably briefly ask you about your objectives, and then they'll custom tailor a portfolio of ETFs and individual stocks, and they'll invest that for you on your behalf. Now, I was going through the documents, and we're going to go through the documents like in an actual, computer-based video at some point, maybe this weekend, we'll see. But when I was going through the documents, it's very clear and apparent that this is an actively managed portfolio. And they're going to adjust your weightings for your individual securities and your ETFs based on market conditions. And the analysis of those market conditions are, of course, being analyzed by members and traders of Robinhood Strategies. So what you have is you have some random people that you don't talk to, you don't really know who they are, looking at your portfolio, trying to guess the market, and constantly making moves to, reallocate your portfolio based on their own subjective opinions. Which, number one, is exceptionally dangerous, okay? Because you don't know who these clowns are. You don't know what their experience is. You don't know what they're thinking. They could be totally freaking wrong. And if they screw up your portfolio, you could massively underperform the market. But that's just like on the surface what the risk is, okay? Here's where the real grift becomes apparent. How does Robinhood make money? Well, they lend clowns money so they can gamble on margin, and they collect interest from those clowns. Look at Khmer. They make money on payment for order flow. They get compensated for routing orders to specific, market makers. And now they're going to be making money off of this wealth management. If you look through the filing documents, okay, you're going to notice a very interesting paragraph that I actually posted on my channel. Robinhood actually makes money via payment for order flow. The profits that Robinhood reaps from your actively managed account will be flowed through to Robinhood, because when they churn your account, when they move your account around, they're going to collect payment for order flow. So Robinhood can churn your account as much as they need to in order to maximize their payment for order flow income. Do you not see the inherent conflict of interest here? Get rid of your stupid biases, okay? Stop watching Amit Kukrija, total fraud, a loser that lives with his parents. And think about this logically. Robinhood makes money from payment for order flow. They want you to make as many transactions as possible so they can profit from that. They are offering you wealth management that is actively managed by people you don't even freaking know and talk to, who are incentivized to churn your account because the company itself makes money from you churning your account. Do you not see the problem here? So what I suspect is going to happen is, all right, you're going to put your money in the account and they're going to charge you 0.25% because none of you morons have over $100,000 in Robinhood. And if you do, you got problems, okay? And they're going to constantly churn your account. They're going to buy and sell this and buy and sell that. And their justification is going to be, well, we got to watch the market, you know? Instead of just buying VTI for U.S. stocks or VT for a global index, no, we got to buy 20 different index funds that basically, if you add them together, would roughly approximate VTI or VT. And we're going to constantly churn between them. And their justification for this is, like I said, active management, number one. And number two, it's for tax loss harvesting. So when you look at your statement, you're going to see buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. And every single transaction, Robinhood is going to make profit through payment for order flow. And when you ask them what's going on, they're going to say, well, we had to adjust to market conditions. You know, it's totally not because we make money from the payment for order flow and the transactions. We had to adjust for market conditions. Yeah. We had a tax loss harvest. It's a freaking scam, you morons. What have I said over and over and over about Robinhood? And even I made this mistake. I didn't have a lot of money in there, but I did have some money in Robinhood. That whole app is designed to make you trade as much as possible. And now instead of you controlling the trading button, now they control the trading button. And they will trade as much as they need to maximize their profits. There is an inherent conflict of interest with this actively managed wealth management strategies. There are so many better options out there if you want wealth management. Go to freaking Wealthfront or Betterment, okay? I mean, yeah, they probably do a little bit of churn, but they'll most likely just put you in a couple simple ETFs and not really churn your account that much unless they have like tax loss harvesting opportunities, okay? Go to any legitimate broker that is not incentivized to churn your account as much as possible to collect payment for order flow fees, you absolute low IQ morons. Or even better yet, why don't you just buy a total market index fund and a tax advantage account for retirement? Like I do. Like, oh, you know what I do? I buy VT and it sits there and I do nothing. I don't freaking sell it. This is not complicated. You people are freaking morons. You think you're all geniuses. You're all trying to time the freaking market. You think tax loss harvesting, bro. Professionals, bro. It's all a massive grift. How long is it going to take before you morons realize how disgusting the finance industry is? And Robinhood is at the pinnacle of disgustingness. I'm so freaking sick of this nonsense. It's disgusting and it's degeneracy. And now everybody's raising their price targets. Robinhood, it's going to be $100. Buy the dip. It's all freaking nonsense. This company needs to collapse. We need a bear market. Woo! Anyway, do not put your money in that freaking nonsense, okay? Inherent conflict of interest. Go read about it. Go look it up yourself. Instead of trusting those influencer morons that are pumping Robinhood because they get shilled by Robinhood. Mate, you want an interview with me? Yeah, all you gotta do is pump my stock, bro. What a disgusting grift. Anyway, like, subscribe, check out the pinned comment, book a free 30-minute tax consultation. I am a certified public accountant. I will do your business and or personal taxes any state in the United States. You can talk to me for free. I give you upfront quotes, and I'll prepare your taxes like a boss. Cheers!